Good morning, dear students. We are going to study the next chapter, that is the verb. We know about a verb. We have already studied. We have heard about the verb, isn't it? So verb is representing an action. So every sentence we have studied about sentence, and we studied that in every sentence there will be a finite verb. A verb is very much essential. Okay. So verb just shows about the what action is performed, or any kind of action that is there in the sentence that we will be there. So what kind of action is taking place, it will be represented with the verb. Okay, so here there are some sentences given there, like Richa sang and danced with joy. Okay, so there is a sentence there. Okay, Richa sang and danced with joy. Underline the two action words in the sentence given above. So there are two actions given there. What are they? Yes, the word sang and danced are the two action words. They are verbs. So a verb is a word which shows action. Verb is the most important word in a sentence. It is the essential part of the predicate. So we know, see, like in a sentence, here, see, like every sentence will be there. So in every sentence we will be representing any kind of action. So that action word is called as the verb. So, or we can say that the verb is a word which represents an action. You know, so like I am speaking. Okay, I am teaching. Okay, so teaching is a action, or speaking is an action, or the movement of the hands, or I am writing, I am reading. So whatever may be the work that we are doing, so any kind of action is there. So that action is called as the verb. Okay, so we can say like the man is running. Okay, so the man is coming. So these words are there, like coming, or running, or dancing, singing. All these type of things represents any kind of action. So these words are called as the verbs. Okay. So the definition of the, or we can say the meaning of verb is that a verb is a word which shows action. Okay. So you have to study this. You have to write in your copy that what is a verb, and a verb is a word which shows action. Okay. So here there is a exercise given there. So there are match the nouns with the verb given in the next column and underline the verbs. So here there are two, match the following is given. Two columns are there, two sets of words are given there. So you have to match the first set of word with the other set. So here the first one is the nightingale. Nightingale. The fourth one, sang sweetly. So that will be there. The nightingale sang sweetly. In that the verb is sang. Sang is the verb. The next one, the boy played in the rain. The boy played in the rain. Okay. In that, played is the verb. The next one, the lion roared loudly. The lion roared. Roared means to make a very loud sound. So you know, it's like a crying sound. You know, so the lion is crying. The sound made by the lion is called as the roar. So here the verb is roared. The next one, the priest prayed for rain. Okay, so the priest prayed for rain. Prayed for rain. In that prayed is the verb. Then the last one, the children yelled for help. Yell, the verb yelled is the verb part of that in that sentence. Okay, so yelled means to request, very like a crying, like a requesting for a help. Okay, so that is the first exercise. Then next exercise 1B, match the verbs with their meanings. So there are different, there are two columns. So this is also a match the following question. And in that one side there are some verbs given there, and in the second side, on the left side, there is on the right side there is the meaning of these verbs are also given there. But you have to find, they are not given in the proper order, so you have to arrange them in the proper order. So you have to write them in a proper order. The first one, approach. So what is the meaning of approach? Come towards. In the right side it is the last one. Okay, last towards down side it is there. Come towards. Apologize, and just above that, to say sorry. To apologize means to say sorry. Accelerate, meaning is given there, to increase speed. Increase speed, to increase speed. Accelerate. The next one, build. Build means to make or construct. The meaning of build is to make or construct. The next one, creep. Creep meaning crawl or move quietly. So crawl or creep. Creep means the movement like the children and all are moving on the floor without making much noise. They with their elbows and with their legs, so slowly they will be moving. So such kind of a movement is called as a creep. Crawl or move quietly. Disappear. To go out of sight. Disappear. So something is vanished or disappear. To go out of sight, which we cannot see. Like you see now it is present there and I go out. So like if now you are visible and if I go now I disappeared. I am not there. Isn't it? So this is called disappear. Okay. Go out of sight. You cannot see. Isn't it? So now you can see. So I can say that I appeared. So I disappeared means to move out. The next one, extinguish. Extinguish means to put out a flame or a fire. So there is a fire, there is a something fire is there and put out the fire. So that is called extinguish. You know, you have like in our school and all we have kept the one equipment is kept there. It is called as fire extinguisher. So when the fire is there, so we have to make use of it and put out the fire. So put out flame or a fire is called extinguish. The next word is fling. Fling means to throw carelessly. So fling, to simply throwing out some like some children and all are there. They are sitting in the bus and eating some chocolates and the wrappers they will be simply throwing carelessly out through the windows. Or in the classroom also earlier when the children when you were in the school and all, some are coming in the class and eating biscuits or toffees and all, and after that you are throwing carelessly. So that is not a good habit. So it is called as the fling. The next one, grind. It means to make fine. So the meaning of grind is to make fine. The next one, hibernate. Action of winter sleep of some animals. Hibernate. Hibernate means to action of winter sleep of some animals. So some animals are there. They are most of the time sleeping during the winter season. So that season is known as a hibernate, or that kind of action that they are doing is called as a hibernate. Okay. So that is the second exercise. Next we have one more exercise, that is exercise 1C. Give one verb for the words in bold type. You may choose from the verbs given above. So we have studied about some of the verbs, and you have to study. You have to write this exercise into your notebook, as well as you have to study also. You should understand the correct meaning of this. Okay. So when you write it into your copy, you need not to write this one as it is given there, like approach you have to write and come to words. Correct answer of this one you will have to write in your copy. The next exercise is first C. So we have studied some words and its meaning also. So the meaning of the word is given there in the sentence, but you have to change it with the correct suitable word. Like for one example is done there. The Mercedes car went out of sight round the corner. The Mercedes car disappeared round the corner. So the disappear is the appropriate word there. The next we have to study is as we come towards the house, we could hear the laughter. So the word like come towards. So that was the first word. Like so here it is given in the as we came towards. So it is given in the past tense, so we have to use the word also in the past tense. So as we approached, the word is given in the book is approach, and you have to make it into the past tense and use it. Approached. Thomas began to say how sorry he was for raising his voice. So to say sorry, the word is there, apologize. The word apologize. So here we have to, Thomas began to apologize for raising his voice. So that how much portion is given in bold that you have to remove, and instead of that this word has to be used. Okay. The next one, the boys moved quietly up to the thief and then pounced upon him. So the boys crept. So here it is moved quietly, moved quietly. It is given in past tense, so you have to make the word also into past tense. The boys crept up to the thief and then pounced upon him. The remaining portion has to be the same. There should not be any change in the remaining portion. Only the portion which is given in bold have to be changed, and you have to use the suitable meaning word. Seeing the blazing cottage, everyone ran to put out the flames. So instead of writing put out there, you can write extinguish. So seeing the blazing cottage, everyone ran to extinguish the flames. So to put out the fire. On the highway, the car increased its speed. So instead of using increased its speed, you can write accelerated. Accelerated. On the highway, the car accelerated. Okay, so that is the exercise. So we have studied first A, 1A, 1B and 1C, 3 exercises we have studied. So these exercises you can complete in your copy. Okay, thank you so much. Remaining portion we study in the next class. Okay, thank you so much.